Hey, I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. We help carpet cleaners win more customers. Today, I want to share with you 3 reasons why I think every carpet cleaner should consider switching to Housecall Pro. But first, if you're a carpet cleaner, head over to gosearchparty.com/housecallpro, and I'm going to give you a free copy of my course, The Complete Guide to Housecall Pro for Carpet Cleaners. Inside, I'll show you exactly how to set up a Housecall Pro account for a carpet cleaning business and how to get the most out of it. Plus, I'm going to give you a link where you can get 50% off your first 3 months with Housecall Pro. So go to gosearchparty.com/housecallpro to get your free guide and 50% off your first 3 months with Housecall Pro. Back to today's video. Reason number 1, I think carpet cleaners should switch to Housecall Pro is for online booking. If you're not doing online booking in your business already, you're getting left behind. There's a ton of reasons why carpet cleaners tell me online booking is not going to work for me. Online booking is not going to work for my business. You need to forget all those reasons and just do it. Why? Because your customers don't care what you want. Your customers care what they want. And they want to book online without talking to another human being on the phone. If you can't offer that to your customers, they're going to hire your competitors instead. Housecall Pro's online booking couldn't be easier to set up, whether you're an owner-operator or a multi-truck operation, it's going to work for you. There's a ton of carpet cleaners using Housecall Pro's online booking already, so I know it works great for carpet cleaners. It sends appointment confirmations to your customers. It integrates with Google Calendar. It does everything that a carpet cleaner should need from an online booking system. So why would I recommend Housecall Pro instead of Calendly or Appointlit or the 50 other online booking tools that are out there and might cost less? Mostly because of reason number 2 that I recommend Housecall Pro for carpet cleaners, and that's because Housecall Pro does everything in one place. So you can stop paying for 5 different tools that do 5 different things, and you can start paying for one tool that keeps all of your important business data in one central place. A lot of carpet cleaners want to start out cheap. So they cobble together a whole bunch of cheap or free tools that kind of work together and will get the job done. But eventually that becomes too much to manage, or the tools don't play nice together, or you're paying more than $100 a month for everything bundled anyways. At that point, you might as well just switch to Housecall Pro and put everything in one place. You can stop booking jobs in one app, and then taking payments in another app, and then emailing customers with a third app. You can just do it all in Housecall Pro. When you switch to Housecall Pro, you gain a lot of efficiencies in your business because you can log into one place to do everything in the exact same spot. You also get a better view of who your customers are and how much they're spending with you, how frequently they hire you, that sort of thing. It actually helps you make better decisions for your business. Finally, the third reason I recommend Housecall Pro for carpet cleaners is for marketing automation. When you finally put all of your customers and all of your sales data in one place in Housecall Pro, you can start to unlock the power of marketing automation. And most carpet cleaners never even reach this point in their business. Imagine if you could automatically send postcards or emails or text messages to your customers without even lifting a finger. That's what I'm talking about when I say marketing automation. For instance, you could send a text message and ask for a review from every single customer after you clean for them. You could also send a thank you postcard 7 days after you've done a cleaning for a customer. Or 12 months later, you could send them an email and say, hey, it's time to get your carpets cleaned again. Those are the types of things that you could automate in Housecall Pro that will make your marketing a lot easier and help you win back customers every single year. All of that is so much easier to do when all of your customer data, all your sales data, all of that stuff is in one place like Housecall Pro. That's it. I hope I've convinced you that it's worth switching to Housecall Pro. If you want to get a free copy of my guide, The Complete Guide to Housecall Pro for Carpet Cleaners, go to gosearchparty.com/housecallpro. And again, I'm also going to give you a link where you can get 50% off your first 3 months of Housecall Pro service. Go to gosearchparty.com/housecallpro. I'm Ruben with Search Party Marketing. Thanks a lot.